Bringing beauty to your home with brick fences. A brick fence is a classic and timeless way to add beauty and security to your home. It is a durable and attractive option that can be used to create a variety of designs and styles. This article will explore some of the most beautiful brick fence designs and provide ideas for creating your own unique look. What are the benefits of having a brick fence? Durability. Brick fences are extremely durable and can last for many years with minimal maintenance. Security. Brick fences are strong and secure, making them an ideal choice for homeowners who want to keep their property safe and secure. Aesthetics. Brick fences are attractive and can add a classic, timeless look to any property. Low maintenance. Brick fences require very little maintenance and can be easily cleaned with a hose and brush. Cost-effective. Brick fences are generally more affordable than other types of fencing materials. What are the advantages of using brick for a fence? Durability. Brick is a very durable material that can withstand harsh weather conditions and is not prone to rotting, warping, or splintering. Low maintenance. Brick fences require very little maintenance and can last for many years with minimal upkeep. Aesthetics. Brick fences are aesthetically pleasing and can add a classic, timeless look to any property. Security. Brick fences are very secure and can provide a great deterrent to potential intruders. Versatility. Brick can be used to create a variety of fence styles, from traditional to modern. What are some design ideas for a brick fence? Create a unique pattern with different colored bricks. Incorporate a brick archway over the entrance. Use a combination of brick and stone for a more interesting look. Add a decorative top to the fence with brick columns. Incorporate a brick column with a wrought iron gate. Use a combination of brick and wood for a rustic look. Incorporate a brick wall with a metal fence. Create a brick wall with a built-in planter. Incorporate a brick wall with a trellis. Use a combination of brick and concrete for a modern look. What are the maintenance requirements for a brick fence? The maintenance requirements for a brick fence depend on the type of brick used and the climate in which it is located. Generally, brick fences should be inspected annually for signs of damage or deterioration, and any necessary repairs should be made promptly. The mortar joints should be checked for cracks and gaps, and any loose bricks should be resecured. In conclusion, brick fences are a great way to add beauty and style to any home. They are durable, low maintenance, and can be customized to fit any budget. With a variety of colors, styles, and designs, there is something for everyone. Whether you are looking for a classic look or something more modern, brick fences are a great option for any home.